Here we are in Makaro village in Aeroprakt airfield. I'm with Mr. Yuri, the designer and the CEO of Aeroprakt. I've already visited with him his museum, beautiful museum inside the hangar of so many aircraft he designed. Now we are with the A32, the latest of his design. Very beautiful airplane. I was lucky to fly with him and do a couple of touch and goes. Especially I saw the characteristics of the stall, the power off stall and the power on stalls. It's actually was very amazing. We were doing 50 kilometers per hour. I would like you to tell me about some of the features of this aircraft, if you can.
So it's not our latest design. Our latest design is Aeroprakt 40.
Yeah.
It is.
But it's a glider. I mean.
It's yes, motor glider. But it's our latest serial production model A32.
Okay.
We designed based on very proved and reliable design of airplane A22. But this one is more efficient, so it can fly plus 35 kilometers an hour. So top speed is 220 kilometers an hour. It is 120 knots. Where fuel consumption is less, it is more fuel efficient compared to A22. Even stall speed is lower, slightly, about 3 or 5 kilometers an hour slower compared to A22. But of course, more efficient machine requests some pilot skills. So need to be precise on final to maintain speed. If you fly it with high speed on final, you will not land it because of glide ratio. So need to be careful.
I see. What's the range of the? I mean, what's the fuel tanks? You told me there is 2 options comes with this aircraft.
Standard fuel tanks, 90 liters.
Okay.
Both, and optional 115.
115. So with the optional, what's the range would be? How many flying hours?
Usually we cruise at speed 180. It's about 100 knots. It burns 17 liters an hour.
I see.
So let's say 5-6 hours
Of
for sure with some extra.
Some extra. So you can get easily easily to 800-900 kilometer of range.
Right.
On this aircraft without any problem.
If you're strong enough not to go to toilet.
What's the retail price for the Aeroprakt 32?
We sell it
fully
for
equipped.
Minimum for 60 euros, 60,000 euros.
Yeah, this is the base model.
It's base model.
I can see also you have a ballistic parachute, and that comes equipped with the aircraft.
It's not standard. It's optional. So there are a lot of options like autopilot, cockpit heater.
So fully loaded, how much would the price would be usually?
It's infinity. We can make
no, but for the one with the options you do.
I believe a good machine, good flying machine will be for 75.
75, so that's extra. And the Aeroprakt 22 usually?
It's slightly cheaper. So let's say 5,000 euros cheaper.
Actually, I was impressed by visiting your factory, and I saw the new technologies that you're applying, from the CAD, the computer aided design, to using the CNCs and doing everything by your staff. The only thing I saw that you're bringing is the Rotax engine. I mean, and maybe the Kiev blade. I don't know what other things. Maybe tires also. You're bringing them.
Yes, of course. We make a lot of parts in our company.
That makes it.
Outsourcing is not efficient in our country, I would say. So we pay attention for quality, and we think that it's better to make it in our company.
Yeah, actually, I'm very pleased to be with you and to have that visit, and I hope to pass this to my fellow pilots members in my country. So we hope to see more Aeroprakts in our area.
Thank you. شكرا.
شكرا.